Bots for the win.
What's up, guys? Patrick with you from Bots for the Win with another chatbot teardown today. Chatbot teardowns, or where we take a look at various different chatbots out there and talk about the elements of that particular chatbot that we like, that interests us, that we find interesting, that kind of thing. And I'm a huge soccer fan, huge World Cup fan. And I was kind of looking for World Cup bots, and I didn't really find any, not any good ones in terms of a search anyway. I think there's so many opportunities to create an insanely epic World Cup bot, and I'm sure FIFA will wait till somebody does and then shut them down. But I found this one on bot list. I think it popped just in the last couple of days or so. So what's interesting is no personalization on the home screen. And I'm wondering if, as a result of GDPR, we stop seeing personalization on the home screen. I don't know if that's going to be the case or not, but you can see they've got some emojis here that they used that obviously aren't supported because they're showing up as diamonds and question marks. So we'll table that for the time being. Let's jump right into her. Get started. Good afternoon, Patrick. Get to know your players, World Cup players, boring disclaimer. So there's their attempt at the GDPR. Are you ready to amaze me with your player knowledge? So that's pretty easy for sure. Otherwise, like, really, what are you going to do? That's just your cover your basis GDPR, which I think is good. And I'm totally okay with quick and dirty on that. I mean, it's not like they're even giving me an option and say no. It's just like, yeah, take it. Bots built on chat fuel. Interesting. So this is by a big builder. We're starting to see the emergence of big builders. So chatbot by Bot Biz Builders. So great way to content market for your bot building business, though, I would imagine. But for sure, let's get started and take a look. Good use of emojis. Fire. Perfect. Let's start. If the picture isn't visible, just press skip question. This sometimes happens due to server lag. All right. So who is this player? Do I know who he is? Rodrigo. Is it Nacho? Nacho just scored an insane goal. I'm embarrassed. I don't know. I'm just going to say Nacho. Let's try Rodrigo. Oh, I got it. It is Nacho. Respect. I think he scored a great goal already. Here's another one for you. Jefferson Tharfan could be Manuel Akanji. He does look African. Could be African. I'm going to go with middle option. No, I don't think so. So it's either Manuel Akanji. Let's just pick that one. Maybe I get lucky. Too bad. That was Jefferson Tharfan. Let's move on. So pretty interesting. Got some little humor on there. Who is this player? So this has got to be one of the Croats or maybe one of the Serbians, huh? It's definitely not Andres Iniesta. I know that. I'm going to go with this guy. This is sort of Jeopardy based on ethnicity and names, but very cool. I like the use of the players. I like the use of emojis. Everybody loves a quiz, right? Who doesn't love a quiz? Great use of the quick reply buttons. You can even skip. I think all of this is pretty interesting. Leon. So I either think this is Leon. I know it's pretty sure it's not Danny Rose. Could be wrong. I don't have that great obscure knowledge of every soccer player. Could it be Eva or Leon? I'm going Leon. Could be wrong. Ooh, boom. Got you, Leon. So let's see the menu. What else does this thing have built into it? So play, restart game, change game scope. All players are one team. Interesting. See high scores. Let's see how up to date this is because the World Cup just finished today and I know what it is. Oh, wow. This is some sort of crazy historical thing, huh? What? That didn't make any sense to me. See high scores. High scores of people that have actually played the game. I get it. Fanware. Get your fan products today. Player recognition game. Do you know the players? Share, play a game. BizBot Builders. Get our free ebook. I'm just curious to see what their ebook is. Why I'm at it. So it throws you into their browser. Oh, interesting. So that was a link. That must have been a reference link that throws you right in. And that's actually the first time I've seen that. I think that's actually pretty interesting. So, wow, that is the first time I've seen that, actually. I don't think I've seen once. And what's interesting is it's pretty hard. I have yet to see somebody leave me a comment on the video. I've yet to see somebody that was able to go right from Messenger, right out of Messenger, and, break the browser, so to speak, right? Like, because normally what it does is that you go to the browser and then you stay stuck in the browser. Like, let's see if this stays stuck in the browser. Does it or doesn't it? I don't know. Oh, what's that bad? Oh, see, that's just that's a waste there. Never a good idea to have a pop-up in there. So that was interesting, though. I've never seen that. I'm definitely going to check that out, and I'm definitely going to do a bot teardown on Bot Biz Builders because I think it's interesting, and they grow conversational marketing. So overall, pretty good. If you haven't been watching the World Cup, what are you doing? Start watching the World Cup. It's the greatest that exists in world sport. Pretty interesting little bot here titled World Cup 2018 Football Player Quiz. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, leave me a comment either on Facebook or YouTube, where these videos tend to live. Let me know what you thought of this teardown. And if you've got a bot you'd like us to tear down, we'd love that too. Great. Thanks, and have a great day. Okay.